Hashtag We Gamma Math. We are going to be going through this very quickly. This should be a very short video. As always, I want to commend you all for all the hard work we're doing. Here is our data tracker thus far. Congratulations to Mr. Williams for his 66% mastery and only 12% in the red. So I would like to spotlight that. In addition to that, I did not have notes on last week because I wanted to give us all time to rest and just rejuvenate. But I did want to let you know and spotlight that we are doing some things as leaders to ensure that we are supporting you all. So leaders are still learning too. I have meetings in O3s with several people, and here's just a remnant of some of the things that we are doing to support you all in the classrooms. Last but not least, two additional things. Exit ticket trackers, I've done my reports and have reached out to some of you also. I know what's going on. Thank you for keeping me posted on what's been happening with the exit ticket tracker, as well as your dates and commitments. For those who have any outstanding dates, I'll be here to support you this week to ensure that you get those in and completed. Last but not least, I sent this email out a while ago, but we have a lot coming down the pipeline. Our next O3, which is on Monday, and it's going to be a very crucial one because I'll be out for the rest of the week. We are going to have our teacher pathway conversations. I've already sent your achievement plans in the email. Please review that before you come. Come with questions. Be ready to talk about what you want to focus on, anything you want to change, or you see that we should focus on based on some things that you want to work on personally, because we want to make this plan about you. We'll go over our ratings and whetstones. It'll be a little different than what we did last time because you've been through it before. So our focus will be on the achievement plan and our next steps. I'll be out of town, and I'll be back on Tuesday, actually, after MLK Day. And we'll be ready to have our next set of O3s and come prepared for that. Take time to pause and zoom into these dates and make sure that you have what you need for those upcoming meetings. And if you need anything from me in between time, please make sure to reach out to me. Next week, I will be low contact, but if you text me as soon as I have an opportunity, I am going to respond back to you. So still contact me because I'm working. I'm just not physically here. I'll be in Chicago. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, reach out to me. Love you guys so much. Continue doing great and marvelous things.